Oh damn, it has happened guys, yet again. Bitcoin has fell below the 20,000 mark. Right now it's pure red everywhere we look beside Ethereum. So right now, to the point, Bitcoin is dropping because of the price action of overall recession, inflation, and currently what's going on in the world. We're looking at a small retracement and then an upside. So we're looking for another week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks for a small retracement back on Bitcoin and all the rest of the cryptocurrencies. Is this still the case for Ethereum? This is still to be defined because Ethereum in the next 2 weeks is going to have a merger coming along. Everybody knows about this price merge to help Ethereum obviously to work faster on its roadmap to actually mass adoption. Will this make a difference? Will Ethereum overtake Bitcoin on market cap, on actual movement? This is still to be defined. It is an altcoin. Obviously, we want to see this price action moving up. It's a time to buy, or is it a time to hold? Please tell me what you guys are doing. As I said, my prediction that it was going to fall down. I knew this was going to happen. Go to my previous videos. You will see we talking about cryptocurrency falling and it's going to go back a little bit more down and then the upside is going to start. So that's my price prediction. Thank you guys for joining TPL. That's my 1 minute. Please like, share, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.